Hello friends, Yash Mehta here. So I hope everyone is doing well in this pandemic. And so I have around 5 years of experience in equity market. Have been trading and investing. Also, I am doing option writing on weekly expiries of Nifty. So I just wanted to share how I analyze the Nifty chart and how I pick the strikes which I short for a weekly expiry option to gain a fixed profit, and also how to reduce the risk while doing so. So yes, we will be starting with the option trading plan for the 20th expiry, and also I will be explaining what's the psychology and what's the analysis we do before executing a trading plan. So let's start. So I just have to so this about everything about the option writing is there available on the social media on YouTube, Twitter if you find. So I just have to I just wanted to list a few benefits of option writing. So it's traders just have to analyze where market won't go in that week. By the term market is basically an underlying which will be trading in option writing. The winning probability is more in option writing, so a trader will win if market remains sideways or it moves in favorable direction, or even if it moves in unfavorable direction but with a less momentum. So there is around 67% chance of winning probability in option writing, and as the time passes, so theta decay is in a favor of option writers. All this benefit doesn't come without risk, so there is risk in option writing as well. So vega, increasing vega and the gamma risk is always there for option writers. If vega increases, then the premiums in the option will rise, which will hamper the profits or the profit of the traders. In case of huge gap up or gap down, like 5 to 6% gap up or gap down, then the trader won't get the chance to exit the position overnight. And in case of one-sided sharp move that we have seen in the past in market in unfavorable direction also can is a major risk for the option writer. So risk is always there in this option writing business, but there is some way to mitigate the risk, and we can't stop it, right? So even batsmen have a risk of getting out, but still he will play, and he will try to stay on the pitch to score runs. And for the same reason, we will have to stay for long term in this business, and we will have to protect our capital also, because naked option writing will result in huge capital losses in case of huge gap up or gap down or one-sided sharp move. So only solution to mitigate this risk in option writing is hedging. So by hedging, a trader will reduce its risk. The risk will get limited, and also a trader can sleep peacefully. So what's the strategy that I use for my weekly option trading plan? So let's start with this. So I am trading only the Nifty weekly options, and analyze the chart and find out the resistance and support on daily time frame on every Friday of the next week expiry. Then, after finding the resistance and support, I will be shorting those OTM calls and put options above resistance and below support levels that I have identified from the chart. And in this, hedging is most important, as we have discussed in previous presentation. And hence, we will be hedging by taking a call option 200 points above the strike that we have shorted, and 200 points below the strike of the put option that we have shorted. So it will help in for overnight protection also. The major benefit of the hedging after the new SEBI rule is that the overall margin will reduce by 70%. So say that if by naked selling of call and put, the margin required is around say 2 lakhs, then after hedging this position, then the margin required would be around 60 to 65,000 only. So it's almost 70% reduction in the margin, and the final margin required would be 60,000 only. And don't take any position if there is any event lined up next week. So if there is any event, so weeks, the India weeks will rise, and because of that, the premiums in the options will start to inflate. If there is some major events like RBI event or election result, something like that, don't take position for that week. Skip that week. So exit. So as we all know, the character on the right hand side is none other than the Abhimanyu from Mahabharat. He knew the entry to enter the Chakravyuh, but he didn't knew the exit, and we all know what happened after that. So in our strategy also, we have defined our exit. So we will be exiting all if our position if any of the options become ATM or OTM during market closing. So that there's no point to hold position because already there is no premium, where there will be less premium to gain, and theta decay for that strike would be lesser. So we'll be exiting our position in that case. If the first exit doesn't happen, then we will be exiting on the last day of the expiry and take full premium as a profit. And in between, no adjustment needs to be done. So basically, you have to avoid doing like shifting strikes, taking rolling up the options. Nothing should be done because it will add up to more trading cost rather than the profit. So let's check the trading plan for the next week expiry on the charts itself. So this is Nifty chart. So I have identified support and resistance for Nifty. And so if we see that market is currently sideways for around 3 months now, but and we can see there are few pivot points that are there as a support and resistance for the Nifty, but we will identify the closest resistance and support for the Nifty for our next weekly trading plan. And currently, I can see one of the major resistance is at this level where the market had reversed currently, and the support I can see can be this level. So we can see that market had fallen and they took support and again rise, and again it took the resistance from here and it had fallen down from that level. So these are the two levels that I will be uh, two levels for the support and resistance. So I just mark this level. So now the level is 14,966 and 14,416. So we will be taking the nearest 100 multiples of this, which will be 15,000 and above calls option. And for this, the nearest 100 multiple would be 14,400 and below put options. Okay. So let's check what's the premium in this in current scenario. Although tomorrow market if opens gap up or gap down or if stays flat, the premium will change accordingly. So let's check the premiums of Nifty 15,000 call for 20th May expiry and Nifty 14,400 put for same. So as we can see, the option premium in call is around 37 and premium in put is around 53 rupees. And as said that we will be hedging our position for overnight risk and we'll be taking 200 strike above call option, which will be 15,500 plus 200, which is 15,200 call option, and Nifty 14,400 minus 200. So basically 200 put, 14,200 put. So this is the premium currently. This is so as per current scenario, we can see this can be major support and resistance for the market, and we will be looking to short the strike, call and option, put option in between this, and we'll be taking eating the premium. If the market stays in between, then we'll be getting the full premium till the expiry. So this is the current scenario. But if suppose tomorrow market opens a big gap up or gap down, below this level or above the call or below the put, then our trade plan will change. But if it stays in between, then our trade plan will remain the same. Okay, so let's check the payoff. So of the position. So we'll be shorting 15,500 call. Sorry, 15,000 call, 14,000 put, 400 put. We will be buying 15,200 call. We'll be buying 14,200 put. So let's check the payoff for the same. So I'm using this Opstra platform for calculating finding the payoff. So I am selected Nifty options, expiry 20th May, 15,000 call, sell, 14,400 put, sell. So if we go naked, then our risk is undefined. It's infinite in this case. And as you can see that the maximum profit is when we go undefined, when we go unhedged our position, but our loss is also unlimited in this case. And we can see the margin expected is around 1.64 lakhs for taking this position. Now we will be hedging our position with the strikes that I have mentioned. So we will be going long in 14,200 put and 15,200 call option. Okay. Now we can see our profit had reduced from 6,000 to 4,100, 2,000 points reduction, but our risk from unlimited had become maximum risk of 10,800. The winning probability is around 62%, and the estimated margin have reduced to 61,500. So 1 lakh reduction in the premiums, which is around 60 to 70% reduction in the total margin required if we don't hedge our position. So this is a major benefit of hedging. Although we are getting haircut in this profit, but yes, it's substituted by the maximum loss, and we are getting reduced loss in this case. So we will be taking this position for tomorrow, Friday. So we'll be shorting 15,000 call, shorting 14,400 put, going long in 14,200 put, and going long in 15,200 call. This is when the market stays in between this for tomorrow while tomorrow opening. And our stop loss would be if any of the options, if 15,000 or if market Nifty closes above 15,000 or Nifty closes below 14,400, then we will be closing all the position that we have took in this case. We will not be holding any position in that case, and we will be waiting for next Friday, for the Friday, to take new position. So I will be sharing this trading plan for next expiry on every Thursday afternoon or evening, so that traders can get help and they can plan out their trade as well. So have you checked what's the trading plan for next week? So as I have said that analysis will be hold as long as Nifty opens in that range tomorrow on Friday, else the analysis will change accordingly. Thank you, friends. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos related to this. And I will be planning more videos, more content for other topics as well. So please like and share with others as well, so that they can get, so they can learn from these videos. So there is a disclaimer also associated with this video. So